I'm Lisa Bethkovitz for Science and You. If I broke my leg, doctors could show you on an X-ray exactly where the break is, what kind of break it is, how severe it is. But up until now, doctors could never measure how much it hurt. But really, what is pain?
Pain is a brain-based phenomenon.
Pain is a feeling, or is it a disease?
It's not either or. Pain, of course, is a feeling. We all know that feeling. What scientists are coming to recognize is that when it's chronic and when it's severe, it's much more than a feeling. Chronic severe pain is also a chronic disease.
If I'm in pain, how do I prove that?
Well, to prove it in a courtroom, you have to prove it to your physician. They don't see your pain, they don't feel your pain, but they believe your pain because they see your complaints. The advances in neuroscience now are taking it out of inference, but into objective confirmation by visualizing brain activity in brain structures that become active when a person's in pain. The main proof right now is what they call functional MRI. Functional MRI is not looking at the shape of the brain, but it's evaluating brain activity. And so they've mapped out parts of the brain that are associated with acute pain and with chronic severe pain. Severe chronic pain involves physical structures in the brain which also inflict a depression. It's a formidable predicament for anyone suffering that problem.
Is it fair to say that these advances in imaging have given scientists the ability to prove pain?
Increasingly so. These imaging advances and these scientific advances are equipping neuroscientists to confirm pain as a real thing, as an objective thing, and as a disease process in its own right.
So then the multi-million-dollar question is, how will proof of pain affect personal injury law?
The vast segment of personal injury cases concern the dispute as to whether the plaintiff's pain is real. And the mantra in most cases is that pain is subjective. So to the extent that you have scientific understandings and imaging advances that will now confirm pain, you have the potential to transform the justice system.
This has been Lisa Bethkovitz for Science and You. Today, osteoarthritis affects almost 30 million adults in America. But it's been a pain in our necks all throughout history. And for that matter,